When you fully charge up,
Ethan. Oh, you charge up some boss.
Ugly them tongue till your face shine.
What is this?
Man, sit in a hair, man.
What got rude boy?
You ugly if you're a rat, boss. Give look water.
Ethan. You have a lot of room, brother.
So Ethan, how charge up yourself? Call in here, say Ethan.
Ethan.
Yeah. Oh, you look like a rat, boss, so.
Thank you. Jesus, God of Nazareth.
And I go back there so today, but where am I going to get to that so by?
Man, if you love the room, brother, why you ask make you run this, brother? Eh? Eh? Oi, sir. Yo. Oi. You ask make you run this, man. Watch out.
Hello, blue pen. They make room look bad. Hello.
You want that drink, sir?
Them a man a don't make room look bad to blow no. Oh.
Yo.
Pretty girl.
And this, sir? You want it?
Wait, face.
God. Hey. When you see this guy smile, hey, Wallace. Hey. See it, my boss.
Just.
Hey, where was smile? You tell her to lose that skirt, Jaja.
You ugly,